Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to take screenshots without button on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to take screenshot without button, open click settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this edit icon and click on edit. You will see here showing you take screenshot icon. Click on take screenshot and click on done and again click on done. You will see if you want to take screenshot without button, click on take screenshot. You will see take screenshot without button. So after the process, so there is another way of take screenshot without button. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on motion and gestures and make sure turn on plumb swipe to capture button. After turn on this button, you will see go back and you will see take a screenshot from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can take screenshot without buttons on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.